Howdy y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have finished the pocket knife that in the last couple of videos I showed how I finish out my country gentleman pattern handles. It is 3 3/4 inches closed, 6.5 inches open. The blade and back spring is CPM 154. I did a 400 grit hand finish. The long swedges have a 400 grit belt finish on them. And this is my first try at doing a long pull instead of a traditional nail nick. I'm only moderately happy with that. That is something I need to improve on, but it turned out decent. And of course the handle is ivory G10 with burlap micarta bolsters and shield. Has brass liners, and I did some file work. Has brass pins and a bird's eye style pivot. I did a 400 grit belt finish on the back spring, and I have a 400 grit finish on the liners. Has a nice smooth action. I would say that's in the ballpark of a 5 pull. Nice detent. Overall, turned out pretty decent, I reckon. This has been a look at my country gentleman pocket knife. Till next time, y'all take care.